Hey guys, welcome back. I'm working on a 2015 GMC Acadia. It came in with the check engine light, and I found out that it has a DTC P0496 code, which is the EVAP flow during non-purge. What's going on here is the ECM, it monitors the vacuum of the fuel tank pressure sensor, and it determines if there's a vacuum draw on the EVAP system. So this is going to be the fix on how to fix it. Please boop that like button, subscribe down below. Let's get into this fix. So right here, what we're going to be doing is we're going to need a scanner to get into this EVAP system. And what we're going to have to do is seal the EVAP system. What we're going to be looking at is right here, the fuel tank pressure sensor. Not the fuel level sensor, the fuel tank pressure sensor. And right here, see, it's at 1.49 volts. So what we were going to need to do is we are going to need to seal this system. System sealed. And we are going to watch this. After about 90 seconds, that needs to drop down to 1 volt. So we'll start our vehicle right now. And we're going to watch this. So see how it's climbing right there? Yeah, wait 90 seconds. This, the pressure sensor parameter should be less than 1.7 volts after 90 seconds. If it is not, you need to replace the purge solenoid valve on this vehicle. So, as you can see, it's still climbing. So we'll get in, and we're going to change the purge solenoid valve. Alright, so this purge solenoid valve, we're going to take the oil filter cap, or the oil cap off. We're going to pull this shield up, and right here, this is my purge solenoid valve. So what we're going to do is right here, this clamp, pinch it on both sides, kind of twist it, pull off. This clip. Push it and pull. There's a 10mm bolt right there. You get out. Get that bolt out, and this will slide right out. Okay, my old one's out. Got my new one installed. Plug it in. Put the line in, and let's go look at these parameters now. Oh, don't forget to put your cover back on and your oil cap back on. Okay, we're gonna seal the system again. And start our vehicle, and see, now it's staying around 1.5 volts, 1.49. That is good. So that is the fix for the P0496 code. I hope this video helped you. I hope you liked it. Have a good day. Till next time. Bye.